Good day everyone. Today, I will present the last requirements per this quarter in MTech. I will demonstrate how to use a pivot table, insert a table or graph, use the lookup formula, explain encoding, and show how these are presented in video. Pivot table. First, I will show how to create a pivot table. I select all the data in my worksheet. Next, I click the Insert to tab and choose Pivot Table. I select New Worksheet and click OK. Then, I drag the category to the rows area and the values to the values area. The pivot table automatically summarizes the data. Insert table and graph. Next, I insert a table. I highlight the data and click Insert. Then table, I make sure that my table has headers is checked and click OK. The data is now organized and easy to filter. In Insert Graph, to insert a graph, I select the data again. I click Insert and choose a chart type such as bar or a pie graph. The graph appears and shows the data visually. Insert lookup formula. Now, I will use the lookup formula. I click the cell where I want the result to appear. I type the formula. Then, I press enter. The formula automatically finds and displays the correct data. The purpose of lookup saves time by searching data automatically. Next is encoding. Encoding means entering data correctly into Excel. I type the column headers first, then input the data row by row. I double check the data to avoid errors. Purpose of encoding. Proper encoding ensures accurate results. This video presentation shows how I applied pivot table, tables and graphs, lookup and encoding. By explaining each step clearly, I demonstrate my understanding of MTech tools. In conclusion, these MTech tools help analyze, organize, and present data effectively